Welcome to Mandyland, a magical playground for creative souls. Okay, welcome back to Mandyland. Yesterday I showed you how I made a Musubi cat sticker. Well, when I showed one of my friends, she said, "Oh my gosh, can you please make a Musubi dog?" So I'm going to show you the time-lapse video of how I took the Musubi cat that I drew in Procreate and I manipulated it a little bit to then become Musubi dog. So that sticker now is available for all the dog lovers that also love Musubi. If you're not sure what Musubi is, it is a beloved snack here in Hawaii where I live. It's made of rice, Spam, and a wrap of seaweed, or you can also call it nori. I have never had a Musubi in my whole life, but I hear it's really good. It's available everywhere, even in gas stations. So as you can see here, I was using a reference photo up in the top right corner just so that I could see what the difference between a cat and a dog face is. And then this is my online sticker shop, and you can just click on the link and order your Musubi sticker. Thanks so much for being here, and for more creative inspiration, make sure you subscribe. I hope to see you again, get all the Mandyland stickers, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.